So what's up guys? In today's video we're going to be having a look at mining KADENA, how to mine KADENA, is it worth it to mine KADENA, and we're going to be covering expenses, income, profit, and so on. So before anything, let's have a look at KADENA right now, currently traded at $5.63. KDA, 264 people on the watch list. Yesterday we were ranked 83, now we're ranked 85. Big deal. I'm going to be accumulating some more, no question about that. $964 million market cap, so we just went under $1 billion. No big deal. Bitcoin's dumping, altcoins dump. Of course, this is in my opinion a top 10 coin in the future. Mineable, proof of work. You could get, as I said, you could mine this coin. In my opinion, KADENA is probably the most profitable and best mining machines out there. Gold shell KD6 we're going to be covering today. A little bit pricey, but as we know, in order to make money, you need money. There's no question about that. So let's dive into the specs real quick. Right here, model KD6. The release is April 2022, of course. We got the size and weight. So this weighs approximately 8.5 kilos. 8.5, so it's like 17 pounds approximately. Noise level 80 decibel, not too crazy. And this is the power, 2630 watt. Now, depending where you are in the world, in America, it would be approximately 10 cents per kilowatt app per hour, essentially. 10 to 13 cents, depending where you are in the world. It could be higher or lower. Voltage, 176 to 264, and is run on Ethernet and all Wi-Fi. And that's about it. Make sure you keep it in a cool place if you're going to be looking to buy this thing. Straight to the point, straight to the numbers, guys. This thing does cost. Before I get into how much it costs, let's have a look at some of the numbers, which is kind of juicy, straight to the point. Okay, daily is $120, monthly $36, yearly is $43,000. Now, the good part is that this is at the price KADENA is sitting at right now, which is, as you guys can see on the bottom right, price of KADENA is currently sitting at $5.81. Okay, now assuming this thing is $10 or $15, right, and you do times 20, which is 20 KADENAs, because it's how much you're going to be earning, that's essentially $300 a day, guys. Sorry, this would be $300 a day, excuse me. Same thing for the month, assuming it goes to $15. Instead of you making $3,600, you would be making $9,000, close to $10,000 a month of passive income, guys. Passive income you would be making, which is fantastic. And the same thing with yearly, assuming it goes to 15 to 20. Now this is like, I'm giving you guys like the decent scenario. These numbers where you're seeing right now is like, I don't want to say the lowest, but it's not the best or craziest scenario. But it would be 15 times 7,260. Now you would be making 100K, over $100,000 a year mining KADENA. Now let's have a look at the worst case scenario. This is what you guys are seeing in the screen right now is essentially what's happening today. Okay, I'm giving you guys the most updated version. Assuming KADENA goes to $3. Okay, so you would do 20 times 3. Okay, just a basic calculation, nothing too crazy, $60. And the same thing right here, let's do for yearly. We're not going to do monthly. Okay, you would be making 21K. Is that a lot? No, it's not a lot. I mean, do I see KADENA going down to $3 and dropping 50%? Maybe. Is it possible? Yes, it's definitely possible. Anything is possible depending where Bitcoin goes. If Bitcoin goes to 29K, or we might see KADENA at these levels again. But it's nothing too crazy. I mean, at that point, it would probably be more worth it to essentially buy. Everything's getting stop loss right now. I'm getting a lot of notification that I'm getting stop loss. No problem. I mean, it's okay to lose in some trades. Anyways, that being said, depending on you at this point, if it does go to $2-3, it's maybe more worth it to essentially buy the KADENA. But guess what? The mining machines will go down essentially. And that's just how it is. The KADENA right now, gold shell KD6 is $42,000, guys. $42,000. So after 1 year, you would make $1,200. You would make your your ROI, return on investments, on and that's assuming KADENA stays at $5. Now, if you guys are bullish like me and think KADENA is gonna go up, I think KADENA personally is gonna go up in the near future, 2-3 years to $200. So assuming it does go up to $200, you do 20 times 200, you're making $4,000 a day. Now that is insane figures. That is insane numbers. And this is assuming we're looking at the best case scenario. 2023, KADENA goes up, and this would be it. Guys, that is fantastic numbers. KADENA is one of the most worth it mining, it's the most profitable mining machines out there, the KD6 I should say. Let's have a look right here at some of the profits, income, and reward. So in the last hour you would make approximately a little bit under 1 KADENA, 24 hours 20.78, so a little bit higher than what I mentioned here. And right here it does calculate your estimate profit, so 936 in the last 7 days. After the electricity it would be 44, and right here the same thing for the day. Right here after the cost, after electricity, it would be 30, 33, 32, 605. So it really depends. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's just approximately the same. Anyways, so at the end of the day, is it worth it to mine KADENA? At this price right now, yes. If you're in it for the long haul, yes, it's definitely worth it. Instead of you buying KADENA every month, that can go into something else. It could go to another coin, to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Veracity, any coins that you believe in, instead of taking that from your paycheck or your trading money and investing it in KDA. I really want to look. I'm going to be looking to buy KDA gold shell KD6, but I'm going to be waiting for the price to go down a little bit. I'm trying to get it at 35K. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it, but we're going to have to see. And right here tells you the historical charts of the income, reward, the price of it, average daily reward, the difficulty right here, the P, as you guys can see right here, the network hash, and so on. There's a lot of miners happening right now or coming into the market. You guys can get it at BT Miners. Now, something that I did forget to mention is that this a few weeks ago was at $63,000. So because KADENA is dropping, the price of this is dropping as well. Now, what I showed you guys is the price for August. Now the demand is high on this, so the closer you pick the date to it, essentially the harder it would be for you to, it would be essentially more expensive, not harder to get it and more expensive to get it. So the delivery batch for August, which is a few months from here, 2-3 months, guys, very doable. 42,000, that's pretty good in my opinion. That's a fantastic deal, assuming these these numbers hold. This would be fantastic. After that, guys, after 1 year, I mean, that's straight passive income. It's like investing in a house. Yes, in today's world, nothing is guaranteed. We don't know where KADENA, maybe it's gonna dump like crazy. I'm bullish. I really like the project. 480,000 transaction per second is insane in my opinion. So this is gonna be a huge, fantastic project. And I mean, that's about it. It's like investing in a house, guys. Crypto, stocks. In order to make money, you need to have money, right? So you can only make money with money. You can't make money, from the air. Anyways, guys, this is my video on, is KADENA worth it? Is KADENA mining? Is mining KADENA worth it? In my opinion, yes, I think it's worth it if you have the money. Right now, if you got 42K to drop right now, I would definitely be buying a. I would definitely buy a KD6. Or you could be like me and wait till 35K. Up to you. But in my opinion, in my eyes, KD6 gold shell is definitely worth it. One of the most mining and profitable machines out there. Mining rigs. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.